All right, .NET leads. If your lead architect quit tomorrow, how much of your architectural knowledge walks out the door? You already know the answer, most of it. But there's something that AI cannot help you with if that happens, and I call it the Y gap. You already know this reminder for senior .NET developers. The Y gap is the space between what your code does and why it does it that way. Your code shows the what. The why, the why this boundary, why this retry, why you never touch that service, it lives in one person's head, and new hires can't see it, and neither can your AI. On one team I led, I had an engineer that everybody pinged. He answered about a dozen questions of why is it built this way? There's like a dozen a day. Now, if I had AI then, I would have had an LLM interview him for an afternoon. It would ask the questions, he would talk, and it would write the why down. Now, I've had AI interview me to solve this problem, and as a result, the AI stopped fixing the load-bearing code that it used to break because now it could finally read the reasoning. Here's what to do this week. Find the one person that everyone pings for the why. Maybe that's you. That's the single point of failure. Have an LLM interview them about the code. Let it ask the questions and let them answer it out loud. And then let it write down the why where your tools can actually read it on demand. Documentation is not fun, but this turns the worst part of the job just into a conversation. AI can read your code, but it can't read your mind. So close the Y gap or keep paying the price of it every single day. I'm Chad Carter, helping developers ship production-ready software faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with a developer that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.